Good morning. It is Monday morning, 5 a.m. In the background, Patrick's cleaning out the pit boss because we are going to smoke a turkey.
Alright guys, the turkey has been cooking since 6 o'clock this morning. It is now, I forgot what time it is. So.
It is 9:40.
We popped. And the temperature got to 162. The thermometer popped out. We're going to pull this out. Put this big boy on the cutting board. Alright guys, the bird is done. Now, we're not going to cut directly into it because we want the juices to reabsorb. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before we even cut this bird open. Come on inside and let's get to carving. Just to recap of what we've done today. Now what we did, we used the Pit Boss today to smoke this turkey because it's just an amazing cooker when it comes to doing turkeys. So we run at 350 degrees for 4 hours. Guys, what we did was we used a barbecue rub. And then we come back with a garlic and herb rub just to give it some texture on that skin there. And we basted the skin throughout the cooking process about every 45 minutes with butter just to help the skin crisp up. And look at that ooey gooey goodness right there. Now when we cut this all up, we want to leave that skin on the slices so everybody gets that good little crispy bite.
It's been about 15 minutes, right, of resting time? Got grandbabies in the background.
She said she's ready.
She's ready.
Want a chicken. Two. Next.
Nice. It's hot. You can see the steam.
Yeah, steam.
Oh, I feel off.
You see it? It's
Yeah.
running, isn't it? Grammy needs to get napkins.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to go get Grammy napkins off the table so we can clean this up?
Yeah.
Go right over there. On the table, sweetie. That's the breast.
And then we'll pull all this meat off.
The bark's just, it's like coming off.
Yeah, my knife got all on me.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Let me get that green knife.
It's nice and juicy. You can kind of see the juice running. Yep. Yeah.
Take 2, sharp knife.
Are you sure? Because I use that one all the time. We're just going to have to sharpen a knife.
Have to sharpen a knife.
Pause. Okay. I think that's going to work.
It might work.
It's just really juicy.
Mm-hmm.
This turkey is really juicy. And, you know, turkey can be really dry. And I think that's why a lot of people don't like turkey, is because it's dry. But if you do it right, you can have a juicy turkey. I think he does it right, so that we always have juicy turkey.
Gotta get that juice.
Of course, when you smother it in gravy.
I don't know who would do such a thing.
I would. Oh, yeah. Okay, he's going to finish the rest, and we'll come back and show you guys what it looks like.
Mama's going to do taste test.
I am.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's like, this is like one of the best things about cooking is you get to try the food.
Because all good chefs try their food before they serve it.
Mm-hmm.
You got a little something.
I got a little something here too. Wow, that is really good. I can't wait for our Thanksgiving with Mom and them on Thursday, because we're going to have one of these.
Guys, there's one. Oh, I ruined that one. I was thinking about what I was going to say, not paying attention. One of the things that I forgot to let you guys know is, you know, we smoked this turkey in the pit boss. We ran at 350 degrees for 4 hours. And one of the things that I forgot to mention was the type of pellets I used. I used the apple blend. And yeah, my knife is tearing this apart.
So he's got all the slices done, and now he's just pulling off the rest, like to debone it. Let's stick it there. We'll be ready to take it and serve it. Ta-da! Here it is, guys. We're going to get it wrapped up. We're going to drop some kids off.
And someone's got to take a nap.
Okay. He's got to work tonight. It's delivered, guys.
We are finished.
We are finished. And it feels really good. And along the way, we stopped at my mom's, who bought a turkey, and we're going to smoke it for our Thanksgiving on Thursday. And I can't wait. So, if it turns out like it did today, it's going to be amazing.
All right.
I'm going to take him to Walmart,
And
by the way. And then we're going to head back home so he can sleep. And he's got to go to work tonight. So,
Yeah.
I want to say thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Babe, last words?
I went blank. I blanked out. I'm like, I'm on the spot.
You're on the spot.
I thought it was just going to be you closing it out. So
Oh.
I was just minding my own business.
Any last words?
Any last words? I truly enjoy cooking turkey because it's really not that hard. And I absolutely love. Hey, there's a pit. There's a.
He sees smokers everywhere we
Yeah,
go.
there's a Old Country Over and Under.
Yeah.
I've been wanting one.
Yeah,
of
that
those.
thing. Yeah. Yeah, that thing.
I need to get a smoker sponsor so I can do smoker reviews.
That would be
That
awesome.
would be cool.
Okay, guys.
But thank you guys.
Because I need to drive out on this road. So.
And remember, there's so many ways to do turkeys. Do it the way you like it.
And there's so many things to be thankful for. So, you guys, thanks for watching. We're thankful for you. You guys have an amazing Thanksgiving.
God bless. Like and subscribe.